For Khan Academy, you should go to khanacademy.org/join, and it should bring you to this part. If you need to log in up here, I suggest you log in using Google. It should give you an option to do that. Anytime you have the option to log in with Google, that's the one you should pick. Then enter the class code that I gave you in Schoology, and that'll attach you to me. Then once you're in and you're in my class, I would go to this Khan Academy. This kind of takes you to the main part right here. And I would go to courses and then find 6th grade, which is down here under math by grade. So then you pick 6th grade. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and take the course challenge so we kind of know where we're at. And so I already started it, but you would resume the course challenge, and this will take you through and test your knowledge of the skills that you have, and then it'll help you to understand things that you need to review. So this will set you up for the rest of the 3 weeks to come in and see assignments that you would need.